Okay, please confirm if you can see the screen clearly.
Yes, I can see the screen.
All right, good. So the packet tracer practical, once you get into this environment, this is what they mean. Packet tracer communication in a cyber world.pdf, it is the instructions they are giving to you. Why packet tracer communication in a cyber world.pka, it is the packet tracer file. All right, so I have downloaded my own packet tracer already, which is the packet tracer application on my Windows. This is it. I'm opening it now. Now, when you are opening your own for the first time, it will request for you to log in your Cisco networking details, which is very important. You have to log in your Cisco networking details. For me, I've logged in already. So it will just accept me inside. But for you, it will not accept straight. It will tell you to put in your login details and your password. Once you put your login details and password, it will bring you to this environment. Now, when it brings you to the environment, your .pka, that is the file downloaded from here, this file that you clicked, that you downloaded, okay? You will now open it from the file here. You click on open, you go to your download, you will see the file, okay? You click on it and you open. Once you open, it will request some information to confirm and to register your profile. Okay? Now, it will request you, what's your name? You put your name. As you have your name on your academy, you put your password. As you have your password on your email on the academy, the same email you use for the academy is what you're using, .com. Then you click OK. All right? Now, the same thing you have in your PDF, that is what this PT activity is. You can see it is already showing the number of hours. The minute is reading already because you are live in the class of Cisco Networking Academy. You are live. Anytime you want to do your lab, you are already live. So whatever activities you are doing is registering in your academy book. Okay? So this is the same thing you have on your PDF. All right? So not to waste too much time, the activity is already here. So you just follow the instruction. It says, configure, the objective is for you to configure the FTP server, configure the web server, configure the email server, configure the DNS server, configure the NTP server, and configure the AAA server. All these servers is meant to be configured. That is your lab. Now, how do you configure? Like I told you, they will give you instructions. Look at the details. They already give you the FTC server, the informations those server has, all right? And they've told you the site you are working on. You are working on two sites. There's a site called Metropolis Bank headquarters. There's another site called Gotham Healthcare Branch. Those two are the companies you are assigned to work on, all right? So now you are going to work into the company gradually. So now I go back to the instructions. Now, what is the instruction? Let's say the scenario. In this activity, you will configure basic server components. The IP addressing configuration is already complete, meaning you don't have to do your stress. They've done that for you. You will use the service tab on multiple servers to deploy FTP, web, email, DNS, NTP, and AAA services. Now, follow the instruction. Part 1 says, configure the FTP server. That is just follow what they've told you to do. Now, step 1, activate the FTP server. How do you do that? Click the Metropolis Bank headquarters and then click the FTP web server. All right, I'll do that. This is the Metropolis Bank. I'll click on it. So Once I click on it, it will open. Now I've entered the bank. Inside the bank, I have office 2, Bob. I have a bedroom. I have a storage. I have a presentation room. They have a reception. They have office 1. Okay. And they have Sally. They have switch. They have printer. They have DSL modem. They have headquarters router. They have a switch here. They have a NTP AA. They have an email DNS. They have the FT. Now, the way you have this thing, that is how it is in the company. But you don't have to be at the company because you're already connected to these devices. This is how cybersecurity works. Sometimes they might invite you to the office. Sometimes you might be working from your office, but you are connected to their network. All right. So this is just a scenario, so you understand how it works.